So Mimecast are a specialist email provider. So we sell a complete solution that supports customers' Exchange environments, providing email security, continuity, archiving, and some niche functionality around how email data integrates with customers' sort of on-premise server environments. So this typically solves a number of problems customers have around managing email, getting access to email data, and I guess using email in its forms. The solution we offer does service all customers' mail environments, so we do work with sort of Lotus Notes group-wise, but the predominant success that we've had and sort of why Trinity Group have had success with Mimecast is servicing the Microsoft customer base, so ensuring customers, even moving to the Microsoft technology stack, see some of the problems resolved that they may have had through Mimecast. The product is heavily integrated within Outlook, so we do provide a service that offers apps for iPhones, Android, Windows market, as well as BlackBerry in the professional services market space. But the integration for end users is through Outlook, so that from Outlook we'll see access to the data that Mimecast has archived in our data centers. So the end user experience is quite rich, and there's a lot of technical benefits that our technicians and the sort of, I guess, contractors within Trinity Group see by managing a interface supporting each of their customers' environments. Email's been around for a long time, so there's a lot of different providers that have done different aspects of the email sort of infrastructure stack. Mimecast is unique in the sense that we've brought all of those components together and deliver it from a cloud-based service. So it's a subscription model which takes away some of the challenges of managing infrastructure within the customer's environments, giving them a lot of control back and very much sort of delivered as a service. The working relationship with Trinity Group is really providing a complete solution to end users. So Trinity Group's experience and specialties around managing the Microsoft stack, complemented with Mimecast, allows Trinity Group to take a full solution to their customers and helps overcome a lot of problems that customers have faced in managing data and also providing email uptime and security. The relationship we've had has been very much both parties working closely together with the customer. So companies like the Rugby Football Union, who have obviously got some planning to do around the 2015 World Cup, have been able to update their Exchange environment using the Trinity Group's consultants and technicians to sort of come and devise an appropriate Exchange environment. And that, coupled with Mimecast, has allowed the RFU to deliver on things like email branding, to remove some of the high data growth areas within their infrastructure, provide additional continuity leading up to the 2015 World Cup, as well as obviously the security requirements around email. So the relationship is very much us working closely with the Trinity Group sales guys and consultants, and the customers seeing both organisations meet their requirements around the project. Trinity Group stand out because they are specialists in their field. I think that's the reality. They are a very niche organisation that have sort of very strong technical skill set, and it's that technical skill set that allows customers to really sort of trust them in everything that they're committed to with Trinity Group. It's that broad sort of experience of understanding customers' environments and understanding what email means within that bigger environment, which is the skill set that we utilise as an organisation. They also have very strong relationships with their customers. There's a lot of trust in regards to what Trinity Group have created within their customer base. The Mimecast and Trinity Group message is very much focused on the business, because it's looking at business risks, it's looking at business process, it's looking at sort of business decisions that are often long-term as opposed to looking at that short-sighted approach that some resellers will take. So I think Trinity Group do have that long-term relationship with their customers that's built on incremental growth and incremental plans to deliver a more robust service to their customer base, definitely. What Mimecast product removes risks associated with managing email, and I think email's evolved so rapidly over the years from being I guess a simple technology used via Outlook. Nowadays it's on every smartphone and people are sort of, I guess, hooked to it. It's a 24/7 application. And I think because of that, it's also very high profile within an organisation. So Mimecast's technology allows Trinity Group to, I guess, solve a lot of that problem and remove some of the perceptional risks around email. And with that, they can build on that. They can build on sort of, I guess, the customer's trust of the problems around email being solved and allow them to develop into other areas of the infrastructure.